All right, fishing trip this morning. 6:30. And today should be good. Last weekend was just the winds came up out of nowhere, a storm, so we couldn't go out. But winds are good. Fishing with my friend Jason, and we're actually going to, I didn't expect this, we're gonna meet the creek master, Nardo, out there. He's already out there. He started at like 5 o'clock in the morning. But I'm super excited about that. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be a good day. All right. That's awesome, man. Jason set up on his kayak with his engine. I'm gonna have to get an engine. That's nice. I got out to my spot, my special spot. Let's see what happens here. I haven't been out here in a long time. Oh, maybe. Here. I don't know if you can see it that far out there. What is it?
Remora.
The heck is that?
Those fish that stick to sharks?
Oh, no way.
Yeah, I've never caught them before.
Me either. Huh.
Don't know what that was.
Damn, dude.
I don't know what it feels. Don't feel that big, but god dang, he hit it like a freaking train. I don't know what the hell that is.
All right, headed up the creek now. I haven't caught one thing yet. You caught what, a sheep's head, a small red,
Mangrove snapper.
yeah, mangrove snapper,
And a remora.
remora, it was weird.
And a drum. I got him off the drum.
My God, dude, that is a weird combination.
Yeah, dude. Sheep's head in the mangrove is what I'm most surprised about.
Jason said he was going to Wakulla Beach. I was like, all right, I'm going to go to Osil. And then like 4 in the morning, I was like, hey, wait, oyster bars before I got in here. I didn't catch shit, but it's basically beginning hiking. I don't know where they are. I don't think they're pinfish. Yeah.
You guys catching anything?
I had some. Yes, trout and flounder.
Okay, cool.
What about you guys?
I haven't caught one fish yet today. Flounder! Man, my line broke. Typical flounder bite. I had no idea what was happening. They're always like so tricky. It's like, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh, I have a flounder on my line. Too small. What a weird looking fish, huh? Weird looking fish, dude. Look at that. Well, don't look at it. It's in the water. I just caught a flounder. First fish of the day. Thank God. No skunk. How you doing?
Doing well. How about you?
Good, good.
If they're in it, this is where I expect them to be. Anytime you see crab traps up this far, it's a good sign. Great fish.
How big was it?
We won't discuss that. That's not important.
So it was small. Little small flounder.
Not important.
God, this gets really, really narrow.
Not important. See, this is what I love to fish the most. This narrow shit.
Dude, there's a fish right there, dude.
Hold up. There's a red. Red. Fucking freak master. God damn it. Fucking freak master. Look at all the dots on this fucking. Get in the net. Oh, Don will never let me get in. I don't think I took you this far. But that goes all the way to the tree. Gotta have some revenge. Was it good? Trap.
Joe's headed up another creek. Jason's headed back to the boat ramp, launch. I'm just gonna throw a popping cork here for 30 minutes or so, just to see what happens, because I didn't have a very good day. I only caught a flounder and it wasn't legal size. So that's what I'm gonna do, see what happens.